Right, we got this boat going up. It goes upstream. In 5 hours, it does 23 kilometers an hour. So here, VB, I'll denote to be the velocity of the boat, and downstream, it's going 35 kilometers in 3 hours, and the velocity of the boat is about turned, but it's the same speed, isn't it? Now, the velocity of the currents, well, this is upstream, so this velocity here needs to go down, and I'll call it VC, the velocity of the current, and that's going in that direction. So we need to use velocity as distance over time. So I'll put that up here just as a little formula that we need to use. So here we've got velocities, haven't we? So distance over time. So the velocity, so the time, let's do the time, is equal to distance over velocity, isn't it? So time is 5 for this one. Is equal to the distance travelled, which is 23 kilometers, over time is distance over velocity. Now the velocity going up is VB minus VC, isn't it? Because it is travelling upstream, so VB will be bigger than VC. Okay, VB minus VC. There we go. Now that's the first equation, which we can rearrange. And for the second problem, we've got the time, which is 3 hours, is equal to the distance over velocity. The distance is 35, and the velocity this time will be the combination of the two, because he's going down with this speed and he's going down in the current going this speed. So this will be VB plus VC, one term, more than one term per bracket. So let's move things around then. So here, 5 lots of, move this object up to be with the 5, equals 33. And this one we might as well do it at the same time, move that up there. 3 lots of VB plus VC equals 35. Okay, let's worry about these equations now then. So this is 5B VB minus 5 VC equals 33 from there. That's equation 1, just expanded the bracket. Here we've got 3 VB plus 3 VC equals 35. That's equation 2. That was 23, and I managed to write 33 here, so I better change that. Just looking at it and just double checking everything. So that's 23 then, and this is 23. So this is 1 and 2. Everything seems okay then. We haven't made any other errors at all. So what are we going to do here? These are opposite sides, so why don't we add them? 3 of these and 5 of these. So 3 of equation 1's then, plus 5 of equation 2's gives. So 3 of these is 15 VB. 5 of these is 15 VB. 3 of these is minus 15. 5 of these is plus 15. They cancel. That's why we're doing it. 3 of these is 69. 5 of these, 5 30s are 150, 5 5s are 25. 150 and 25 add up to 175. So what have we got then? We've got 30 VBs. 30 VBs equals 69, 70 plus 174 really, isn't it? 244. You could look at it 17 and 6 if you want, is 23. 9 and 5 is 14, so 230 plus 14 is 244. So now VB then is equal to 244 over 30. And you can divide by, what can you divide by 2? That's for sure, that's a 15, and that goes in 122. So that's 122 over 15. Okay, which is 8 and 2/15. So here, VB equals 8 and 2/15. What were the units? Kilometers an hour, wasn't it? Because the time was in hours and distance was in kilometers. So this will be kilometers per hour. Oh, sorry, kmh. There we go. Right, that's VB. And now the velocity, that was the boat. And that's what we were asked for in the question, weren't we? Or were we asked for the current as well? Let's just pop back up to the top of the question. Find the speed of the boat and the current. So we need VC in the question. So also then VC. Let's just get that. So we'll get it from this one. 5 VC is 5 VB minus 23. Do you see that? So I'll write that down. So 5 VB, VC rather, is equal to 5 VB minus 23. And I just moved the things over there. Let's just check that. All I did was the 5 VC comes over there. Is 5 VB minus 23. There we go. And now we know VB, so we know it's 122 over 15. So 5 VC then. I'll divide by 5 all the way through. So let's divide by 5. Might make it slightly easier. VC is equal to VB minus 23 over 5. VB is 122 over 15. Times by 3, you get 69 here, don't you? So it's minus 69 fifteenths, isn't it? Scale that up by 3. So VC then equals 122 take 70 is 52, so it's going to be 53. 53 fifteenths, which equals 3 is 45, and there's 8 more. And 8 fifteenths kilometers an hour. So that's the velocity of the current, and this is the velocity of the boat. Good.